Welcome back to the CSC Garage. In this episode, I want to show you how easy it is to install bar end mirrors on your SG400 Cafe Racer. Let's get started. We're going to be replacing the stock mirror with this low profile bar end mirror. It's only going to require a few simple tools. Got a Phillips screwdriver so that we can adjust, loosen, or tighten this end of the bar mount, and that's what allows it to swivel. We're also going to use a flathead, or you could use the razor knife or your fingernail to pop open the cap. And then we're going to use a 5mm Allen to actually install the mirror into the bar. Once we start tightening that Allen, it squeezes this apart so that it holds firmly against the inside of the handlebar. We also might need to use a razor knife to cut out the end of the grip. This bike has these grips installed that are covered on the end. The stock bars are open so that the bar end weight can fit in. On this one, we're going to need to open that up so that we can fit the mirror through. Next, we want to remove the existing mirrors. You can take a 17mm wrench or just kind of bump these off, loosen it up, and then it screws out. Now, prior to installing these, you might want to loosen the Allen just a little bit. That end piece is threaded, and we want it to be able to fit in the bar. Slide it in. As we tighten that down, it expands inside and holds itself on the bar. Now we still have some adjustment. We're also going to put that little cover back on. And now for the throttle side, same thing. We're gonna bump these stock mirrors off. Gonna cut a hole in the end of that grip. And on the throttle side, we want to really make sure we clean off enough so that the grip is not catching on that mirror. The mirror can be spaced out away from the grip. Just like when we installed the grip, we don't want the grip touching the shell, otherwise it'll get stuck. We want it to be able to snap back, so we need to make sure we clean up enough so that the mirror fits in there smooth. Now, as I tighten this down, I want to make sure things stay snappy. So I'm going to pull out just a little bit, give that mirror some space away from the grip. And we're good. Now for just a little adjustment on the tension for the swivel. I want to make sure I can still move it some to make a road side adjustment, but keep it firm enough so the wind doesn't blow it around. Thanks for joining us once again here at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install bar end mirrors on your SG400. When you're ready to find some bar end mirrors, be sure to check out our website. And as always, enjoy the ride.